Hello everyone, we are from Group 2. We will present a topic on work ethic to fulfill the assessment for sales communication. Before we begin, please allow me to introduce the member of Group 2. Ahmad Faza Nazirul Fikri, NIM A01324051, Galo Dwi Setiani, A01324056, Anazifa Latisha, NIM A01324054, Rio Saptadewa, NIM A01324069. Here is the outline of presentation. Introduce, does work ethic influence work culture? Example of work ethic abroad. Example of work ethic in Indonesia. Analysis of forage versus Indonesian work ethic. Next, Rio case solving, Anna case solving, Galo case solving, Faza case solving. Relation between work ethic and sales communication. Work ethic you have practice, and conclusion. Introduction. Work ethic is an important foundation that shapes behavior and work culture. Difference in work ethic between countries influence productivity, professionalism, and communication. A strong work ethic also helps resolve workplace problems such as machine disturbance, administrative error, and product claim. Therefore, understanding work ethic is essential to improve performance and solve problems effectively.
Does work ethic influence work culture? According to Hairani, Anitra, and Hedianti 2025, as clarified by Ngebersian et al. 2024, work ethic is an important factor influencing the formation of work culture within an organization. Individual work ethic reflects through discipline, responsibility, hard work, and cooperation accumulate into collective behavior that develops into shared value and norms. Thus, a strong work culture is inseparable from the quality of individual work ethic. As work culture essentially reflects an attitude and behavior consistently practiced by all members of the organization.
Example of work ethic in abroad. Team discipline, for example, in countries such as Japan, Germany, and South Korea. Punctuality is very important and being late is considered unprofessional. Being responsibility, for example, in countries such as Germany and Switzerland. Workers take full responsibility for their tasks and do not blame others for mistakes. System-based work, for example, in countries such as Japan and United States, work is carried out according to standard operating procedures. Professionalism, for example, in countries such as the United Kingdom and Canada, professional matters are separated for professional duties, and performance is judged by results. Appreciation of work quality, for example, in countries such as Japan and Germany, quality, efficiency, and safety are prioritized over speed. Teamwork and communication, for example, in countries such as the United States and Australia, open communication and teamwork are highly valued.
Example of work ethic in Indonesia, hard work. For example, street vendors open their stalls from dawn to evening to support their families. Mutual cooperation. For example, villagers work together to clean gutters and repair roads. Discipline. For example, teachers come early to prepare lessons and start classes on time. Responsibility. For example, public transport drivers take passengers safely despite traffic or bad weather. Loyalty, for example, factory workers work well and maintain the company's good name for years.
Analysis of forage versus Indonesian work ethic. Forage work ethic emphasis time discipline, professionalism, individual responsibility, and structure system. In contrast, Indonesian work ethic highlight hard work, mutual cooperation, loyalty, and togetherness. This difference show that Rocket work culture focus on result and effectively, while Indonesian work culture is more humanity and social, allowing both to complement each other. Real case solving case to plan machine trouble. Machine trouble is a disturbance or machine malfunction that cause abnormal operation, thereby hindering the production process, achievement of a target, and resulting in losses for the company. Sukmano and Lesmana 2023. Effort to overcome these obstacles based on work ethic are as follow: responsibility and discipline, demonstrated by promptly reporting machine damage and complying with machine shutdown SOP and occupational safety regulation. Cooperation and initiative, carried out through coordination among operation, technician, and management, as well as conducting initial checks and providing suggestions to prevent damage. Professionalism reflect in a calm attitude, maintaining focus, and remaining productive during the machine repair process.
Case solving claim sorter part product. A product part sorting claim occurs when components do not meet quality standards, requiring sorting and resulting in claims for losses. Discipline, ensuring that the sorting and inspection processes of parts are carried out in accordance with standard operating procedures. Responsibility, taking responsibility for one's own work results and including honestly reporting any non-conformity or part damage. Teamwork, collaborating with the QC, production, and logistic teams to resolve claim case quickly and effectively. Initiative, providing input to management regarding patterns of part damage or recommendation for improving the sorting process.
Kalau case solving about mistake purchase order number at documents means an error where the purchase order number is missing, incorrect, or not written on a document. This mistake can cause delays, confusion, and problem in work process. Solution is 1. Be more careful and responsible when checking documents. 2. Always double-check purchase order number before submitting document. 3. Build discipline in following document procedures. 4. Improve teamwork and communication between departments. 5. Create a habit accurate as part of a strong work ethic.
Faza case solving, mistake income, appointment, working permit, repair, trial. Means an error where the purchase order number is missing, incorrect, or not written on a document. This mistake can cause delays, confusion, and problems in work process. Solution, solutions. Be more careful and responsible when checking documents. Always double check PO numbers before submitting documents. Will discipline in following document procedures. Improve teamwork and communication between departments. Create a habit of accuracy as part of a strong work ethic.
Relation between work ethic and sales communication. According to Harsantoso and Firdaus 2022, work ethics is great to sales communication because communication as serves the foundation for forming understanding that influencer work attitudes and behaviors, thereby supporting the effective delivery of information in the sales process. In the study by Lisa Bessy et al. 2024 work ethic and communication jointly have a significant effect on employee performance of 75% indication that sales communication support by a strong work ethic and can improve performance.
For ethic, you have practiced Ahmad Faza, team discipline, attending classes on team and submitting tasks before deadlines, responsibility, completing academic and organizational duties seriously, hard work and perseverance, not hastily giving up, honesty and academic integrity, avoiding plagiarism, and getting Galudwi responsibility. I do my part to myself, check my work carefully, and pick it there are mistakes. Discipline. I join every group meeting, stay focused, and finish my tasks on time. I expect quality I listen to other and always update the group about my progress.
Work ethic you have practiced. Anazifa discipline, developing the habit of following class schedule and completing assignment on time. Responsibility, fulfilling student responsibilities by completing tasks independently and seriously. Commitment, remaining consistent in the learning process and maintaining the quality of academic work. Riyasakta, responsibility, which means I always complete tasks before the determined deadline. Discipline, which means I always arrive at least 15 minutes before the agreed time. Because for me, being on time means being late. Attention to detail, which means I work carefully to ensure minimal errors in my work.
The conclusion of presentation is work ethic is a fundamental foundation in shaping work culture and improving organizational performance. Core values such as discipline, responsibility, teamwork, and professionalism play an important role in achieving success. Difference between French and Indonesian work ethic highlight a balance between efficiency, result, and togetherness. The application of a strong work ethic helps solve problems and strengthens workplace communication. Consistent work ethic has a direct impact on productivity and work quality. These are some of the reference we use. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for attention.